Yo, we are going to be reacting to Fridge the Cat 2. Now, I have reacted to Fridge the Cat 1. I will leave a link into the description. This series is insane. I think I remember this cat.
Fear not, detective. I know who you are. I know you're by Fridge the Cat. You're from Session K6, and I'll be your assistant. Fridge is a difficult anomaly to contain. I serve the government, but don't play with my patience. Few members of your group survived with me, so stay determined and you'll be fine. I think you've done enough, Fridge. Your journey ends here. You finished off my group, and I'm going to give you the freedom to know how you'd like to die. I don't like to finish off my prey quickly. So, choose.
I must admit it, Executioner. You have the nerve to capture me, but it won't be so easy to finish me off. You'll end up like all of them.
How naive. In the end, your confidence and ego make you easy prey. Say goodbye to your show, Fridge.
Oh, nah. This is nasty.
There's still something about this case that's been bothering me. I managed to get some items from the case to investigate. So I'm going to look into it a bit more. Let's see. I've seen that cat plushie somewhere before. On September 27, 1999, 25-year-old Mako Jun Yamagawa was reported missing by her family. The last time she was seen, Mako was heading to the apartment of her ex-girlfriend, 24-year-old Kyoko Sato, with whom she had ended a relationship months earlier. On October 2, 1999, Tokyo police received an anonymous call alerting them to a nauseating smell coming from Kyoko's apartment. Upon arrival, officers discovered a gruesome scene that revealed Mako's fate. Kyoko Sato's apartment was unusually tidy, but upon inspecting the kitchen, officers found what appeared to be the source of the smell. Several parts of Mako's body were stored in the refrigerator and freezer, meticulously wrapped in plastic bags. Multiple containers holding pieces of cooked meat and bones were identified. Some pieces were marked with dates, some were beef. The rest of the apartment showed few signs of a struggle, suggesting the victim may have been attacked by surprise or under some kind of deception. No weapons were found at the scene, but kitchen utensils that could have been used to dismember the body were identified. The victim was dismembered post-mortem. The limbs were precisely severed, indicating the perpetrator had basic anatomical knowledge or prior experience handling knives. Letters and photographs found in the apartment revealed Kyoko's growing obsession with Mako after their breakup, suggesting the crime was premeditated. The Yamagawa family stated that Mako had ended her relationship with Kyoko due to irreconcilable differences, and had expressed concern about Kyoko's possessive behavior on several occasions.
There's so little time left, and you still don't understand what I am. Open the door. Don't delay the inevitable any longer. I know what you're doing. I know what you're hiding. I know what you fear, and I know it because I'm here with you, more aware of you than you are of yourself.
Among the evidence was a phone recording, the last known communication between Mako and Kyoko.
Yo.
What you are about to hear is that call.
Hello? Kyoko? Is that you, Kyoko? Are you crying? Mako. What's wrong? Why are you calling at this hour? I miss you. I can't take it anymore. Kyoko, we already talked about this. It's over, remember? I'm not going to let you manipulate me again. No, it's not that. Just help me. Please. Where are you? Is something wrong?
Nah.
Are you hurt?
Come see me, just for a moment. I need you.
Okay,
I don't know.
but this will be the last time. Do you hear me? Wait for me.
I'll be waiting for you. Mako.
Yo.
That plushie and the keychain I found have left me with some questions. Because that show was canceled and this merchandise shouldn't have been released.
Dang. Dang it.